Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today our topics are pressure in gases, atmospheric pressure, pressure and volume. First of all, we will discuss about the pressure in gases. Here is the diagram of particle model of a gas which shows that the molecules are not arranged in any particular way. You can see that particles of gases are randomly arranged. The molecules are far apart, they have spaces among them, and molecules are not strongly held together because there is no force of attraction between the molecules of the gases, and the molecules move very fast in all directions because they have spaces, they can easily move in all directions. Air can be sequestered easily because air molecules have lots of space between them. Our next topic is atmospheric pressure. The air around us has weight and it presses against everything it touches. What is atmospheric pressure? The force exerted on the surface of the earth by the air above it as gravity pulls it to the earth, and at sea level atmospheric pressure is about 100 kilopascal, which is equivalent to the weight of 10 cars pressing on every square meter. Surprisingly, we are not crushed by this huge pressure. This is because the pressure in our lungs and blood system exactly matches the pressure of the air around us. When drinking through a straw, you suck the air from the straw to reduce the air pressure inside it. It means there is low pressure inside the straw, and the atmospheric pressure then pushes the liquid up the straw and it into your mouth. Now we are going to discuss about the relation between the pressure and the volume. There is inverse relation between pressure and volume. When pressure increases, the volume decreases. And the diagram shows an experiment to find out more about the link between pressure and volume. Some gas is trapped in a cylinder. The gas is compressed by pushing the piston into the cylinder. Compressing the gas heats it up, causing its molecules to move faster. This also increases the pressure. So you can see in the diagram, when the pressure is applied by the piston, the volume becomes reduced. The table shows some results of such an experiment. When the pressure increases to 200 kilopascal, the volume becomes 50 centimeter cube, and when the pressure is 250 kilopascals, the volume becomes 40 centimeter cube, and when the pressure is 400 kilopascals, the volume is 25 centimeter cube. From these results, you can understand when the pressure increases, the volume decreases. The results show if the volume of a gas is halved, the pressure is doubled. When there is 200 kilopascals pressure, the volume is 50 centimeter cube. The half of the 50 is 25, then the pressure becomes doubled from 200 to 400 kilopascals. And when there is 250 kilopascals pressure and 40 centimeter cube of volume, then the half of the 40 is 20 and the pressure becomes doubled from 250 to 500 kilopascals. Pressure into volume stays the same, which is 10,000 kilopascals in this case. When we multiply 200 kilopascals pressure with 50 centimeter cube of volume, then it will be equal to 10,000 kilopascals. And when we multiply 250 kilopascals pressure with the 40 centimeter cube of volume, then it will also be equal to 10,000 kilopascals. And when we multiply 400 kilopascals pressure with 25 centimeter cube of volume, the results again will be same, 10,000 kilopascals.